hypertonic solution, isotonic solution or hypotonic solution. First of all, we will discuss about isotonic solution. Isotonic solution is a solution that has the same solute concentration as another solution. For example, these are cells and they are kept in a solution. So solution will have the same concentration of solute and water as compared to the cell. Either it's an animal cell or either it's a plant cell. For example, this has 20% solute and 80% water, and the cell that is kept in this solution also has 20% salt concentration, or we can say solute concentration, or 80% water concentration. So we can say the cell has same concentration as that of the solution in which it has been kept. So here there will be no net movement of water particles, and cell will not even swell, or cell will not even cell lysis will also not take place here. So in isotonic solution there will be no net movement of water molecules inside the cell or outside the cell. Next one is hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution is a solution that has higher solute concentration than another solution. For example, this solution in which cells has been kept, this solution has higher solute concentration. For example, it has 40% solute and 60% water, but cell has 20% solute and 80% water. It means cell has large amount of water. So due to osmosis, water has a tendency to move from a solution that has higher concentration of water to a solution which has lower concentration of water. So water will move out of the cell, due to which cell will shrink itself and ultimately it will die. And hypotonic solution is a solution that has lower solute concentration than another solution. For example, here cells are there which has been kept in a solution, and solution has less solute concentration. For example, 10% solute concentration and 90% water concentration, and cell has 20% solute concentration and 80% water concentration. In this case, water particles will move into the cell, because water has a tendency to move through osmosis from its higher concentration to its lower concentration. So in this case, cell will swell up and ultimately it will lyse out, or we can say it will burst out.